WeForming project works on the specification and development of the intelligent grid forming buildings. For this purpose, the IGFBs, these intelligent grid forming buildings, is a concept that intelligently integrates multiple energy carriers in order to optimally operate the building. So our core target is to provide all the necessary tools to convert conventional buildings into these IGFB formats. For this, in order to achieve this, we aim to equip the buildings with multi-carrier optimization software to support the decision making of these IGFBs, of course without compromising the well-being of the occupants. In order to have these intelligent grid forming buildings, we are also providing the necessary interoperable solutions to allow the buildings, the IGFBs, to interact with the whole energy ecosystem, meaning with other IGFBs, with other energy stakeholders like the TSO, market operators, aggregators. The project is comprised of four main pillars. The building operational pillar, it's the one that basically provides the necessary technological enablers for the IGFBs, meaning software components and hardware components. For software components, we refer to optimizers, AI and machine learning tools that will support the occupants to optimally integrate many different energy carriers. But also hardware components like area and time controller, which will aim to minimize deviations for the controls. Referring to the services that is also comprised within this layer, we do have digital twin services which will also support the decision-making organization of the IGFB buildings. Then we do have the interoperability assurance pillar, which is the pillar that allows the integration of the multiple different energy carriers. For this purpose, we have the notion of the service catalog, which aims to catalog harmonized interfaces for the IGFBs to interact with multiple energy stakeholders. We do also have the reference architecture that the project will basically define and develop, which will be a European data spaces aligned approach, and this will be proposed in order to allow the IGFBs to interact with the overall ecosystem. The other pillar is the business model pillar, which aims to provide business-centric approaches and to provide new business models to allow the realization of the IGFBs. The final pillar is the smart city enabling pillar, which basically considers all the environmental and societal concerns to allow the IGFBs to happen in real world.